Morning, sir.
Good morning.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, Yashas.
Sir, I cannot see a cream.
Yeah, sharing Nivan. RN is joining. Meanwhile, let me share my screen.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
How are you?
I'm good. How are you, kids?
Sir,
All are
fine.
good? Good. Okay. Let me go back. Okay, kids. So I have not received the homework from me, all of you actually. Only Nivan sent. Okay, so make sure that you are working.
Sir,
Yes,
I
Nivan.
sent you the puzzle.
Yes, Nivan, I told actually. I received only from Nivan. So good. Yashas and Aryan, you also have to work on it, okay? Okay, kids. Anyways, so last time we were studying the 2 rookmate and 1 rookmate, right? We have done that, correct?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So quickly, 5 simple puzzles on the board. You can see. Look at this and quickly tell me actually if it is black to play, what will you play?
Sir, sir, it's black to play.
Yes.
Sir,
Sir, to F7.
You'll move the rook.
Sir,
Sir, you'll move the rook to
sir.
F7.
Hold on, kids, hold on. Let's go one by one. Yashas first.
Sir, this
Nivan.
position is very easy.
X.
1 minute.
Nivan, wait. Nivan, wait.
Sir, this position is very easy. Just move the rook to H7, checkmate.
H7 checkmate. Very good. Okay, so this is one movement. Okay. Now Nivan, white to play.
Oh, this is also easy.
Yes.
E5 checkmate.
Very good. Rook to E5 checkmate. Okay. Very good. Aryan, start your camera. Aryan.
Sir, the one Nivan told was not a checkmate. Can you move to that screen once? Oh yeah, there is. I didn't see the.
Yeah.
I didn't see the.
Observe it. Yeah, observe it carefully. Yeah. Okay, Aryan. Aryan, I cannot hear you. Can you unmute yourself, Aryan? Okay, can you talk now? Not audible. Okay, anyways, Yashas, you want to answer? Aryan, check your audio at your end.
Yes, sir. I want to answer.
Yes.
Sir, you have to move the even rook to A1.
E1 rook. Which E1? Which screen you are talking about? The rook is at C1. The other rook is at H7.
Oh yeah, C1. Yeah, C1 rook to A1.
Why would you go to A1?
Sir, because then we can checkmate the king. Because
Now
if
look
now
at the position carefully. Look at the position carefully and then answer.
No, sir. If we move the rook to c8, then it will be captured. That's why we have to move it to.
Why will it get captured, Yashas? Don't you have support of your king?
Oh yeah. Yes. Only one move again. c8.
Right. C8 is checkmate. Okay. Okay.
Sir, who is Meghna Smile?
Aryan's mom. He is having audio issue, right? So she must be joining. Yeah. Okay. Nivan. Can you unmute yourself, Nivan?
It's checkmating 2.
No. Look at it carefully.
It's checkmating 2, I'm telling.
It's
First,
it's checkmate in one, Nivan.
h7.
Why will you bring here? This is checkmate, right? Can you see? It's a checkmate.
Yeah.
Opposition, forgot it. We learned in one rookmate, correct? The king is in opposition, correct? So it's a one
Yes,
movement
sir.
only. Okay. Why am I taking this puzzle, kids? Because you know there are two rooks. That doesn't mean that it should get checkmated by two rookmate strategy only. Okay, you have to make the combination. We learned the opposition, correct? Blocking the line, opposition, waiting move, we learned, right? So you have to apply these things whenever you see the position on the board. Okay, and that is the reason quickly I am taking these puzzles. Okay, correct?
Yes, sir.
So is that clear? This is one movement. Okay, other way around, what Nivan was telling is also correct. I am not saying that it is wrong, but it is taking two moves for you, right? So if it is one movement, you should try to solve it in one move only. Okay. However, on the board, if you have sufficient time, that is okay if you are doing it in two moves. Okay, but you should be able to identify. Okay, you should be able to find the solution. If it is one movement, it should be solved in one move only. Okay. And another thing is, we are solving the puzzle, so I can tell that this is one movement or what. But when you are playing with the opponent, is there anybody going to come and tell you? No. So you have to keep asking yourself. Okay. You can ask the questions to yourself. For example, can I checkmate in one move? Can I checkmate in two moves? Is there any tactic that I can apply? Can I give check? Is my king getting check? Am I getting checkmated in one move? Okay. So if you keep asking these kind of questions to yourself, you will be able to find the solution to those problems or to those questions. Okay. Let's go to the next one. Who is going to answer? Aryan, is your problem solved? Audio problem? No. No issues. Okay, again, one moment. Yashas.
Sir. Again, one move.
Yes.
Sir, move the rook to a1.
Rook to a1. Correct. Okay, good. So you guys can identify it now. Okay. However, I will suggest that you can practice these kind of puzzles actually. Okay. So whenever I am sending homework, solve it. I am just sending couple of puzzles. Okay. I am not sending 10, 20 or 100 puzzles. Ideally, if you want to practice well, you should solve minimum 100 puzzles in a week. Okay. But initially, because now you are learning, it's okay. At least you practice for 2, then 5, then 10. Okay. But if you want to become a good player, you have to practice for solving hundreds and hundreds of puzzles. Okay. Anyways, let's go to the next one. Okay. This is one of the homework actually we gave. Okay. So let's see. Who will tell the answer? First move. White played this. Now black is playing this. What will you play now, guys? Look at this and tell.
You give a check.
Check from where?
Sir, rook to d8.
Rook to d8. Very good. I played this. Now what will you play? Nivan, unmute yourself. You can also tell.
E6.
King E6. Opposition should be done by your opponent, not you. Okay, this is what we
But
learned.
sir,
Right?
how will you follow the king then? You have to follow the king, right?
You don't have to now because you have already blocked it, right? Okay, so what are, there are two possibilities, either the king will come here or it will come here, right? So if
Move the king up.
you go
But
here,
the king will probably
No,
go
no,
to
no. I'm telling KF6 now.
king E5 you should play. Okay, now why? Because if the king comes here, you are already getting opposition and you can push the rook. Okay, if it is not, what is the other possibility? The king will come here, right? In that
Sir,
case,
mostly the king will go to c7 only, right?
not necessary. It can come downside as well, right? Because what
But it
happens,
will mostly go to c7, right, to capture the rook.
yeah, so that is good for us. If it goes to c7, what we will simply do, we will play the rook here and block the king in next these last two ranks, correct? So it will be easier and faster for us. That is what I wanted. Okay, if a player is good enough, okay, he will accordingly check and decide. Okay, so we need to consider both the possibilities. In both the cases, it is good for us. Suppose if it comes here, again, we will give check and block the king in these two lines, correct? A file and B file. Okay, vice versa, if it goes up, okay, again we will block the king in the 7th and 8th rank. That is two lines only. Okay, in both the cases we are getting solution quickly, provided you are playing the king here. Okay, now what if you play here? Okay, it will go this side, and now you just have to follow like 1 2 3 4. Okay, so 4 more moves it is adding, correct?
Extra 4 moves.
Exactly. Okay, Nivan understood why I played here and not here. Okay, so instead of this you should play this. Okay, correct? So we played here, and suppose it goes up. Okay, most probably, as you said, yes, most of the players will try to go here so that they can capture the rook. Okay, but in that case, we have support of the king. We can place the rook here and block the king. Okay, so this is the blocking line. Okay, so we are using the concept of blocking the line. We block the line. Now king has no choice but to, I mean black
Move
has no
to the
choice but
corner.
to, yeah. So it's
But sir,
coming.
it can even move to c8 or b8, right?
Yeah, so two possibilities. If it comes here and if it comes here, correct? So first possibility is this. Let us consider it comes here. No issues. We will go here. Again it comes here. We will go here. It comes
Sir,
here.
you said that we should not give opposition. You just now gave opposition.
But we don't have alternative now, right? I want to come here so that once the opposition happens here, I can give check from here.
But
Correct?
it would not be a checkmate.
Yeah, it would not be a checkmate. You have to wait. Okay. So,
There will be few waiting moves, right, sir?
right. Now when it goes here, okay. Again, I will not come here now. Okay. I will wait this time. I am simply moving my rook here. Okay. Now
Sir,
two,
that's called a waiting move, right?
right. Now two possibilities. Either it comes here or here. Okay. Mostly it will go here only. Again, I am playing the king. It has no choice but to do the opposition. Now you give the check, correct? It comes
Move the
here.
king to the last rank.
Yeah, now it is in the last rank, correct? Just follow the king. Okay, now it comes here. Okay, played. It will come here. Play the waiting move. Goes follow. Goes follow. Opposition.
Checkmate.
Correct?
But sir, this took a lot of moves.
Let me see how many moves it took. It took 18 moves. Okay. Now let me show you ideally how it should happen. Okay. When it is there, we played king. Okay, it comes here, then king. Okay, you have to wait for opposition. As soon as opposition happens, play the rook. Okay, follow the king. Now checkmate. Correct. This time we checkmated in the A file. Okay, and this took,
This took a lot less moves.
yeah,
Very less.
right, this took lesser number of moves. Okay, but these are variations, kids. Okay, not necessary that the way we are predicting the opponent will play that way only. Okay, however, what we need,
Something else. Opponent can't play anything, right?
right. Okay, so but what we need to do, we need to look for the position and accordingly decide what to play. Okay, so any questions related to two rook mate and one rook mate, kids?
No, sir.
Okay, Nivan, Aryan, any questions related to this? Any queries related to opposition, waiting move, or blocking the line?
Sir, I have just one doubt.
Yes,
I haven't understood till now what does waiting move mean.
we just did, right?
No,
Waiting,
no, what's the meaning?
the meaning is, say you want to give check, but it is not going to be checkmated if you immediately give the check, for example. However, if you wait for one move, then your opposition turn comes and then he makes the opposition, suppose, correct? Opponent's turn comes, he has no choice but to play, right? And once he does the opposition, then you play your move. Okay, so that one wait that we make, wait for one move, that is called as the waiting move.
Okay,
Understood?
sir.
Okay,
Sir,
so,
in a game, there shouldn't be too many waiting moves, right? Too many waiting moves.
right, ideally there should not be too many waiting moves. Okay, however, if you think that if you are waiting for say couple of moves, 2-3 moves, and it is going to turn the situation in your favor, then there is no harm in waiting. Okay, anyways, now if you don't have any other questions related to this,
Yeah, I have a question.
yes, Nivan.
And the king is on G Wang and a pawn on D Wang and a king is on H7. We I moved the pawn up, then up. He still go down.
Just a second. Huh? Let me place it. Just give me a second.
Sir, what are you sharing?
I am sharing the board. Nivan is telling some position. Okay, so let us put it on the board so that explain it clearly. Can you tell the address, Nivan?
My king got on A1.
White king or black king?
Black.
Black king is in A1. Okay.
The white king on H4.
H4. Okay.
And no, H4, not H4. Not H4. Not G2. G2.
C2. Okay.
And the on
Black rook or white rook?
on B4. B4.
No, black rook or white rook, Nivan?
White.
B4. Okay. Now what is your question?
Now,
White to play or black to
A4
play?
will be a checkmate.
Yes, it's a checkmate. Okay, because it is in the corner. You don't need to wait for opposition in this case. Okay, can you see? Because of this king, okay, these two squares are already blocked. Correct? So black king cannot enter these squares. Okay, and hence
But
you can give check from here.
Sir, even the C1 square is blocked, right?
I am just worried about this king, right? Can the king jump to C1?
No, sir.
No. Okay, that's why I talked about this. Otherwise, there are 8 squares which are blocked. If I want to talk like this, correct? All these 8 squares are blocked. But I don't need to talk about, I am not worried about these squares because the king cannot jump here, correct?
Yes.
Okay, that's why I talked about these 2 squares. Okay,
But sir, I have one more doubt.
yes.
If the king is the most important and powerful piece, it should have the powers of all the other pieces, right?
No, but he is king, right?
King cannot jump like knight, not like queen.
Right.
But
Not
it
like
is.
bishop.
But it is the king, right? It should be the most powerful. It should move however it wants, right?
Not not necessary. Not necessary. See, anyways, there had been, you know, if you listen the stories from your mom, dad, or granny, grandpa, okay, ask them actually. Just ask a simple question. Were all the kings in the history, were they the most powerful ones? You will get the answer, no. They were king because they, you know, get birth in the kingdom family. Okay, king's family. Okay, so not necessary that every king is powerful. Okay, they have the power because they are the king. That's the reason actually. Okay, otherwise because
Sir, they have their powers in the army, right? Their own power, like there's the king's strength. They can either be weak or either be strong. So that's the thing we are relating here.
yeah, so that is what I am telling. The king is so powerful that he gives instruction to all his pieces. Okay, in this case, in case of chess, he gives instruction to all the pieces, and all pieces go and suicide. Right? It is kind of suicide, right? They go fight. They know that if they go and fight, they will get killed. Still, they go because they have to safeguard their king. So, isn't it the power of the king? Correct? So you have to consider from that perspective, not the perspective that king will, you know, go in the battlefield and start fighting. It's not king. Do you think now, suppose, for example, now we are not in the era where the kings are there, but suppose Prime Minister Narendra Modi is the Prime Minister of India, right? Or say president of our India, who is the first person or kind of king for the country. So do you think that for anything that happens on the road, fighting and all that stuff, should the president come or the local police should solve those problems?
Local police.
Right? Obviously, right? So in the case where you are asking, sir, king should have power and king should fight. So it's not applicable like that. Okay. And another important thing, yes, one of the,
King will fight when all its soldiers and pieces are gone.
exactly, if needed, king will jump. If it is not needed, king will not, because he is the king. Okay.
He is the most important person of the kingdom.
Exactly. Okay. Anyways, coming back to the topic. Any other question, kids?
No, sir.
Okay. So let's move to the next topic then. Okay. Now what we will do, we saw one rookmate, we saw two rookmate. Okay. Now let me put you in the situation where all your pieces are gone. Okay. And you are left with a queen. on the board. Okay. Now because you learned one rook mate, two rook mate, you have got some idea actually how to checkmate. Okay. Now it is white to play. What will you play?
Sir, we move the
Oh,
queen.
oh,
Sir,
oh,
sir,
oh,
sir, we'll
oh,
move the
oh,
queen.
oh,
Sir,
oh,
we'll move the queen to A1.
I got it.
Yes, Nivan.
Sir, wait. First I'm
No,
telling.
no.
It's okay. Just let him talk. Yashas told that we will move the king to A1. Okay. Nivan, what are you saying? Is your answer different than this?
To F3.
F?
3.
F3. How will it go to F3?
Queen
Here.
F3.
Okay. Why do you want to keep it on F3? You want to block this line? Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Nivan is suggesting this.
No, sir,
Yes,
but
yes,
there will be too many lines left, right, for me. If you move to A1 and then move to A7, there will be only one line left.
But Yashas, once you play this, the black king will play and it will come here or here or here, correct?
But
So you
then we
cannot play
can
here.
block but then we can move it to A6, right?
Right. Okay. So after it
There
comes,
will
then
be only two lines left. But what Nivan is saying, in that case, there will
No, but-
be too many ranks left.
right. Correct. Okay. But then my question is this the solution that you bring it this way and then give the check? What if I place it here directly? Can the
Oh,
king
yeah.
come here?
No.
Can the king come here? Can the king come
No.
here?
No.
Right? So in case of queen, see, one rook mate and one queen mate. What is the difference? The rook has not the power which queen has. Correct? If I place the rook here, suppose if I place the rook here instead of queen, suppose it's a rook. Okay, and if I play here, the king can come here. Black king can come here and attack on your rook. Correct? And hence, in that case, what we do, we go here first, away from the king. Okay, it comes here and then you block. So in that case, it is correct. Your thinking is correct. But in case if you have the queen, which has its own powers, okay, you can directly come. Can the king come here now?
No, sir.
Now because the queen
Sir,
come
it's
here,
a stalemate.
it's not stalemate, Nivan. Hold on. Because the queen comes here, you can see this is blocked, okay? However, this is still open, correct?
But sir, if the queen had the power of the knight, then the king could not come there, right?
Right. But unfortunately, queen doesn't have, okay? So accept the world as it is and play as per the rules, okay, kids? Now, can you see, because the queen comes here, these squares are blocked. However, this is still open. Okay, so it's not stalemate, Nivan, correct? Understood? Okay. Now the king comes here. Okay. You bring your king. It goes here. You can push actually, no issues. It comes here. You can still push. Now see how many squares are left. Again, this is blocked. This is blocked. Correct? So in this case, it will go here. This is still open, correct? So let the king play here and here only. It will go here, it will come back, it will go here, come back till the time our king reaches here. Okay, it goes here, I come, it goes here, I come, it goes here, I come, it goes here. Okay. Now what? Now I will give check. It's opposition, correct?
Sir, how opposition with the king?
I mean,
it's not opposition.
Yeah, not directly, but because it is in the corner, it has no choice but to go here. Okay. Now what if I push the king here? If I push the king here or here, this is a stalemate. Okay, so you need to be careful. You should not push the king yet. Okay, what you do, simply move the queen here, let the king
Waiting.
come. Yeah, let the king come, push the king. Okay, only one move, and this is checkmate. Okay, or this is also checkmate, or this is also checkmate. There are three ways you can checkmate. Yes, Nivan?
Sir, Aryan was trying to say
Unmute yourself.
Uh, we can checkmate for one up, one diagonally,
Right,
one
2,
triple
3,
line, and 0.
4. 5 ways. There are no 4 ways actually. This is just a check. King will come here, right? So this is not checkmate. However, this is checkmate. This is checkmate. This is also checkmate, and this is also checkmate. Okay, so the queen can give check from here, here.
This is also
Correct.
Here is also a checkmate.
Sir, there are 4 ways of checkmating. I can't understand. I can't believe that.
Right. That's the
Five
queen.
is a checkmate.
Which one is the 5th one? Nivan?
It's 5 is of checkmate.
Only 4. Which is the 5th one? Can you tell? We can give check from here, but it's not checkmate. The king will come here in that case. Okay. If you are giving check from here,
Check from here.
okay, or else from here as well. Okay. But then again, king will come here. So it's not checkmate. You can give check also from here, but again, it's not checkmate. Okay. So we are just talking about
I am telling to put the queen on D8 checkmate 2. The 5 possible things.
D8 is one, correct? D7 is, sorry, F8 is another, and then G7 and H7, 4. Anyways,
Oh, I'm telling in D8. D8.
D8. Okay. Sorry. I missed. Correct. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Correct. Okay. So understood, kids, how to do checkmate with one queen. Okay. So the difference between rook and queen is, because queen has power, you can go as close as possible to the king. Okay. But tell me one thing, can I place the queen here?
No, sir. If it
will get
doesn't have
captured.
support, you should not.
Right.
If it
will
doesn't
get
have
captured.
support, if it doesn't have support, you should not put it.
Correct. Queen is powerful, but not as powerful that king will not capture. Okay. So in that case, we blocked it here. Okay. Blocking the line. But because queen is powerful, it can go like rook. It can go like bishop. Okay. So
You can go like pawn.
right. So these are the blocked lines, you know. Queen
Sir,
has
the blocked, sir. These are the blocked lines. The D rank, the F rank,
right.
and the 6th file.
All right. So these squares are blocked. Okay. Then king moves here. Correct. Our king comes here. Okay. We will just wait till the time. Okay. So king comes here. You play here. King comes here. You push again. What we did? We blocked. Okay. So no choice but to come either here or here. Only 2 squares are remaining. Okay, so king comes here, and then again.
Sir, it's 3 square.
Okay, now see, only these 2 squares are remaining.
Sir, only 5 minutes are left for the class to end.
Yeah, fine. We are done with one queen mate. Okay, you understood? Understand it clearly. Okay, we will continue tomorrow more examples on this. Okay, So it comes here, it comes here, it comes here. Now we will play the waiting move, okay? Because the king is here, what you can do, you can play the, you know, for example, queen here, let it come here, no issues, comes. And once it comes here, we discuss there are many ways, okay? 1 way, 2 way, 3 way, 4 way, 5 way. Any of the ways you can checkmate the king.
Sir, Nivan told you the fifth way, right? You missed
Right.
out.
Yes, D, right? But anyways, mostly what we do, we checkmate from here because we have the support, okay? Or we checkmate from here, okay? Or we checkmate from here. Anything is fine. End of the day, you are checkmating in one move after at this position is important. Okay, clear? Let's do another exercise, kids. Suppose the king is here. Now what will you play?
Sir, will we finish it within 3 minutes?
Well, that's fine. We will stop if it goes over. Okay, we can finish it actually, no issues. Now because the queen is here, okay, we can directly block the line, correct?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so block the line, comes here, go near
Comes
the
here.
king.
Comes here. Comes
Okay.
here.
Now he can go here. No, obviously it will come here, correct? Sorry.
Sir, before you told, I thought that the queen was the rook and it would come there.
No.
I was
Okay.
about to tell move the queen to a7.
Okay, now we will follow the king again. Sorry, if it comes here, okay. Now can it go further? No, it has no choice but to do the opposition. Now again, checkmate,
Checkmate.
checkmate, checkmate, checkmate. Okay, sorry, not from here, okay, kids, because it will go here otherwise. Okay, so we can checkmate, correct? Another way, checkmate, and third way, checkmate. Correct? Here, here, and here.
3 ways, no 4 ways.
Okay, so this time it was simple. What we did, we simply blocked the line. Okay, we blocked the line first. We waited for the king to come here. Okay, we brought our king. Always understand, although the queen is powerful, it is not that powerful that it will checkmate alone. It requires support of any other piece like king or pawn or any other piece. Okay, so you have to wait for.
Sir, a king, knight, and queen can checkmate.
Yeah, we will see those examples tomorrow. Okay. Sir,
it's over right now, the class?
Yeah, we will stop here for the day. Okay, so this is checkmate. Okay, just note down these positions if you want. I'll give some example. Let me put it here. Okay, let me take the screenshot. Note down this position, kids. Okay, I will send it to you, but you can make a note of it. Okay, white king is in D1, black king is in D8, and black queen is in G8, and you have to checkmate the white king. It is black to play. Okay, so kids, we will stop here for the day. Just solve this position. Maybe I'll create another position and send it to you, so you can practice it at home today for one queen mate, and then tomorrow we will see more examples related to this. Okay, so bye bye kids.